Okay, it is Thursday, I believe, and we're gonna clean this mess up. This place is filthy, so I'm taking some time to clean it all up. This way I can work like a human being. Let's see what we can get accomplished here today. Okay, we got this room, let me get a little further back, relatively clean. This is my new work area for things like Mr. Tommy's Thunderbird, which we're going to be painting that in the next few days. And we still have a bunch of parts. These are all new parts that we're going to be putting up for sale. Let's go in the other room. Now we've been going strong in here. If you look, it's still got to be swept, but I've got a lot more room. Next thing I'm going to work on is the bench, so that I can get to stuff. And then we're going to organize the engine area so I can finish putting that together. Alright guys, like and subscribe, and we will see you probably Monday, or maybe we'll do a couple of videos over the weekend. We're going to be working over at Scott's, getting that whole place set up. See you guys in a bit.